All right, hey, so listen, you have two Khan Academy assignments that you need to do, right? There's one that says multiplying monomials by polynomials. Sorry for my abbreviating, but I totally missed it, and so I just was trying to do it quickly. And then there's another one that said multiplying perfect squares, okay? So this problem is actually one of the problems that was on your assignment. So I'm going to show you how to do this one, and then this one is one very similar. Same thing down here. So here's one that is on your assignment, and then here's one that's very similar to some of the other ones that show up, okay? So when you do these problems, for the first one, for the multiplying monomials by polynomials, you're literally just distributing, okay? That's it. That's all you're doing, I promise. So you're going to take this number that's out here on the outside, and you're going to distribute it into the inside of parentheses. And when you distribute it in, you have to multiply it, okay? So 5 times x squared is 5x squared. 5 times 2 is 10. And that's it, Ethan. I promise that's all you got to write, okay? When you go to do this one, same thing. You're going to take the thing on the outside, and you're going to distribute it in and multiply, okay? So 3x times 2x, 3 times 2 is 6. X makes x squared, okay? So again, this is 3x times 2x. 6x squared, and then 3x times 5 is going to make a 15x. So you have another one, I think, that's really similar. It's the same thing, just different numbers, okay? For this one, for multiplying perfect squares, you're going to do what I like to call double distributing. Mr. Martorello, may have told you about foiling. It's the same thing, but I call it double distributing, okay? And so what you're going to do is you're going to start with 2x, and you're going to distribute it to the other parenthesis, okay? And then you're going to take the 2x and distribute it over here as well, okay? So 2x and 2x makes 4x squared. 2x minus 3 is going to be a minus 6x, okay? And then we're going to distribute again. Here comes the double distributing part. So negative 3 times 2x is going to be a negative 6x. And then negative 3 times negative 3, you know, is positive 9, okay? When you're done, the only thing you have left to do is you have to combine these two middle guys because they're like terms. And so your final answer is 4x squared. There's a plus 9 at the end, and then negative 6x minus 6x becomes a negative 12x, okay? All right, let's go do it one more time. You're going to end up seeing some of your problems like this, which, by the way, is just the short way to write this problem. So this problem, because it's 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3, is the same thing as 2x minus 3 squared. Okay, it means the same thing. Because when you multiply something by itself, it means squared. And so that's all this is. X plus 9 squared just means that you're doing x plus 9 times x plus 9, right? Star squared means star times star, right? 5 squared is 5 times 5, okay? Purple blob squared means purple blob times purple blob. Okay, and so you're just writing these parentheses 2 times, and then you're going to FOIL, or double distribute, okay? So we're going to do x times x, which is x squared. X times 9 is 9x. 9 times x is 9x. And then 9 times 9 is 81. And then you're just going to combine these two together. So x squared plus 9 is 18x. Plus 81. I don't know if you heard that. That's our doorbell. Dun, 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 dun. All right, Ethan, charge. See if this helps, and let me know if you need any more help, okay?